This is Piano Adventures Performance Book Primer Level. Let's take a look at School Bell is Ringing on page 11. We'll need both hands, and I'll just point out a few things before I play it. We need the same hand position as page 10. So if you've learned a song about cats, then you'll know the hand position already. But if you need help, it's right here. Notice that your thumbs are next door neighbors on B and C. Then we have some things to watch for. A rhythm hint, don't stop at the bar line. So we want steady quarter notes all the way down until we get to the dotted half note. Make sure to count all those beats through your dotted half notes. Watch for the repeat sign so we can go right back. And then this is also important. Can you hear the difference in your mezzo forte and forte sounds for this piece? So I'll play this 2 times. Watching the finger numbers, especially in the right hand, is very helpful. So here's my hand position. Left hand finger 1 on B, right hand finger 1 on C. Ready, set, go. School bell is ringing, the message is clear, 2, 3. Ring, ring, 2, 3. School time is here, 2, 3. School bell rings out at the end of the day, 2, 3. Ring, 2, 3. Ring, 2, 3. Time to go play, 2, 3. So if we watch carefully the finger numbers in the right hand, and then we watch for the notes as they go stepping down, we can see 5 down, down, 4 down, down, 3 down, down, up, 2, 3. Keep the left hand ready to go so that you can play on that strong finger 3 on the G. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. G up to C, 2, 3. And then make sure to always practice that repeat so you're ready to go. Try to plan ahead and remember to get right back to finger 5 on G so you can go down those patterns again. If that tempo is too fast, then just go slower. Until it's easier, and then you can go a little faster again. It's always best to slow things down so you can have good note accuracy and a steady beat. And then when you're ready, you can play it faster. All right, I hope you enjoy this.